Hey guys, Casey Ferris here. I just want to do a little walkthrough on ground control LUTs. Ground control makes color grading LUTs that are designed to work well with your camera. So if you have a clip like this, which is shot on a DJI Mavic in D-Log, we have a pack of LUTs that are designed to work well with this type of footage. So here in Resolve, I can go through the LUT browser of our Griffin LUTs, and they all work very well without any adjustments, and you can add a variety of different styles to your footage with just one step. The advantage here is that these are designed for the exact type of footage that your camera shoots. And that's the big difference in ground control LUTs. If I open, let's say, some film looks from Resolve, they look nice, but they aren't really taking full advantage of this shot. So if we apply this, we'll really have to do some adjusting to get this looking nice. With ground control LUTs, it's just one step to get a nice looking image, and it gives you a much better starting point for your color grades. So how do we use ground control LUTs? It's actually pretty simple. Whatever app that you're using to do color grading will have some way for you to apply a LUT to the footage. In Resolve 15, there's a nice LUT browser up here that will apply whatever LUT you like to the current node just by double clicking. Inside of Adobe Premiere CC, you can use the Lumetri Color tab to load a LUT onto your footage. And in the newest version of Final Cut Pro 10, loading a LUT is really easy. And under the effects list, hit color, and with your clip selected, just double click custom LUT, and right here under LUT where it says none, you can go down to choose custom LUT and navigate to whatever LUT you want to use. In whatever app that you're using, there should be some kind of utility or effects panel or plugin that will load one of our LUTs. When you buy a LUT pack from Ground Control, you'll receive a zip file with all of your LUTs in log versions that are designed to work with your camera, as well as Rec 709 versions, which are basically just the style from the LUTs. So if you want to do corrections yourself and then add style later, you can use them like that as well. All in all, the goal of what we're trying to do here at Ground Control is make it as easy as possible for you to get a beautiful image. You can take your footage straight out of camera and in just one step have a beautiful color grade. So you can move on and make more beautiful things. And that's what we all want. And the best part is we have a whole bunch of free color grading LUTs that you can try out to see if they work on your system and see if you like using them. The free LUTs are pretty much just a basic grade for each camera. So we have D-Log for DJI drones, S-Log2 and S-Log3 for Sony, Technicolor Cinestyle for Canon, ProTune for GoPro, Cinelike D for Panasonic, as well as BMD Film and BMD Film 4K for Blackmagic cameras. And if you like these basic grades, check out our Pro LUT packs, which have a variety of stylistic LUTs built on the same premise to make it as easy and quick as possible to get beautiful color grades in whatever app you're using. My name again is Casey Ferris. Thanks for watching.